If you find you might be doing lots of baking or baking in particularly large batches of your recipes, then this Clabber Girl baking powder in a 5-pound container is definitely something to invest in. Baking powder is great and because it makes things rise. It makes things light and fluffy, and you can use it for a variety of recipes, whether it be muffins and cookies or scones, biscuits, breads, or doughs. It is a great ingredient to give everything a really nice even rise. This particular brand is gluten-free and kosher. It's also double acting, meaning that it has 2 reactions. It rises partially in the bowl as you mix it, as well as again in the oven, so that is really nice. And a really cool kind of mini science lesson is that really baking powder is a combination of sodium bicarbonate and an acid, which when put together creates carbon dioxide, which creates a gas that lifts and rises and gives all of the pastries a really nice, tall, fluffy, light texture and look. So that's really, really cool. And the history of baking powder actually goes back to the 1800s. Before then, the main leavening ingredient used was yeast. But after that, they started to experiment with a couple other ingredients and baking powder was formed. This is such a big container and it's really good to have on hand. A little bit goes a long way and this gives you a lot to go a long way. And so yes, definitely a nice one to have. It gives everything a nice rise. And I think it's so amazing how much is happening in the reaction of baking powder in just one small sprinkle. So much scientific possibilities are happening, so it's really cool. Overall, you could say baking powder gives you baking power.